Greetings from Minnesota, Peter. Steve Pavic here, showing you just what you might have in store as you come to Minnesota to visit us this Christmas. I'm standing out here, and this isn't even classified a blizzard. This is a near winter storm, as we like to call it in Minnesota. And notice I'm out here without a jacket. That's called Minnesota Tough. There's Minnesota Nice, and there's Minnesota Tough. And if I have my way, we will make you Minnesota Tough before the end of your visit here with us. It's a strict training regiment that few survive through, and it takes years, sometimes decades, to master. But I believe that you can make it. Anyways, I just wanted to give you an update that we are hoping that you get to experience a blizzard or a winter storm with us while you're here. But I just wanted to give you a snippet about what you might be in for as you come. But hey, we're very, very excited to have you here this Christmas, and hopefully this gets you excited.